All right, Layla, here is your extra book for today. It's called The Big Game. Let's look at what these kids do on game day. Adeline, no! Sorry about that. Okay, so that was the end of our book. Let me go back to the title page. The Big Game. There was no activity listed on this book, but I was thinking maybe you could either make your own book or write a sentence or record something for me that tells me about something your family does. If you have like a game day tradition with your family or something else that you do with your family that you prepare for, maybe even a holiday that you just had or a holiday that's coming up. I hope you enjoyed the book, and I can't wait to see you on Tuesday.